at the threshold of a new chapter. We want you to know how deeply proud we are of each one of you. Your journey in this organization, Youth in Education for Sustainable Development, has been marked by dedication, laughter, challenges, and countless shared memories that will always remain part of who we are. You came in as individuals, but you leave as a family. Stronger, wiser, and ready to take on the world. Padayon lang sa inyong mga pangandoy, and never forget the values and friendships that you built along the way. There were moments when the path wasn't easy. Times of pressure, doubt, and sacrifice. But you choose to persevere. You choose to serve. You choose to show up. You choose to be a KST. Sa tanang higayon, sa tanang challenges sa pag-conduct sa activities, maba inside or outside the campus, you still there. You still give your best and lifted us, lifted others with you. That kind of heart is rare, and it's what makes you truly remarkable. Wherever life leads you, carry that same spirit of resilience and kindness. Because it will open doors and inspire people more than you realize. As you move forward, remember that YesD will always be your home. You may be stepping into different paths, chasing bigger dreams, but you will always have a place here. A family that cheers for you from afar. To our ades and kuyas, amping kanunay. And may you continue to shine brightly in everything you do. Congratulations! This is not the end, but the beginning of something even greater. Once again, daghang salamat, ates and kuyas, for your dedication, service, and for helping us in making this organization nga naa karon. Please remember that YesD is always open. Open ni mo dawat og sponsorship kung nana mo'y trabaho. Open ni mo dawat og tamang inikandak sa mga activities. Basin di ay na magtrabaho og Department of Agriculture, maghimo tag partnerships, og na part sa DENR, maghimo tag collaboration. Yes, YesD is open because diri mo nagikan. You live, mubiya man mo, but we are open. YesD office is always open for you, and our hearts are open. Among bulsa kay open. Bitaw ang atong panunlanan kay open. Basin di ay our alumni, our future alumni. Basindiay, Litaw. Once again, amping kanunay, and may you continue to shine brightly and carry the heart of being a YESD in everything you do. Congratulations, YESD Batch 2026. This is not the end, but the beginning of something even greater. Daghang salamat, Ades and Kuyas. Thank you so much.